Hey, what's up you all? This is Steve, your Captain Chef. Thanks for tuning in my channel. During the cod fishing trip in Cape Cod, we also caught one of these redfish. Today, I'm going to share with you a recipe. It's called steamed redfish. Mindful cooking, healthy eating. Without further ado, let's get started preparing the fish. First, remove the scale. Then sever the end of the intestine. Insert chopstick through the gill all the way into the abdomen. Twist the chopstick a few times and pull the gill along with the gut out of the body. Make a few slice cuts on the fish for easy cooking. On the other side of the fish, make a slight cut on the middle and cut toward the head and the tail. This cut will make the fish to be easy cooked during the steaming process. Trim the tail for better presentation. Prepare some scallion, ginger, and red pepper thread. Soak the thread in the water. Brush some cooking oil on the fish. Steam the fish for about 3 minutes. After steam cooking, dump the juice out of the plate as it's very fishy. Now apply the veggie thread on the fish. Pour hot oil on the fish at this time. Finally, to add some soy sauce to complete the dish. This is the steamed redfish I'm talking about. The recipe is very simple and everybody can make it at home. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.